Hey all, Ashley here. Hope you're doing well. Today I have incoming happy mail from Felicity Jane. This is their brand new Aspen kit, and I just wanted to show you all the details. It came packaged up really pretty, just like always. They do this like super elegant black and white packaging with all of their collections. But I did take it out already, and we'll just go through all the different elements. This is the chipboard heart stickers. Some cardstock fringe. So these are like strips of fringe, scalloped fringe. Here's the sticker sheet. I love the color combination, especially the navy and the super pale pink. I actually think it looks so, I don't know, so elegant. I think all their collections always have a very like elegant, classy feel. Got a little stamp set. Got some puffy alphabets. And there's some paper, we'll go through that in a second. And then a couple of their journaling cards. Oops. So we'll just quickly in February, 1 and 2. Just gonna go through these kind of quick, give you an idea. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. And I love their library cards. They do this also with every collection. And I'm actually trying to read a bit more this year. I have like a reading to-do list, so I think I will be doing some like reading journaling for this year. So I think I will get lots of use out of these. I get a pack of these with every collection. So they have their chipboard bits. Pull these out. 16 pieces in this. These are great because they're such high quality. They're really thick, really well made, and really pretty. Just really, usable images. Very small, which is nice, so you can add like nice dainty little details to your project. I love these little tags that they do. They're so cute. So that's a bunch of their chipboard bits. I'll show the ephemera. Little love sign there, and then all the little girls that they have with all the collections. Look how cute. This little triangle house, really cute. Look how sweet this is. So delicate and dainty, this little frame. And then some more frames, other little images here. Yeah, just a bunch of different elements. So there's 29 pieces in this. That gives you an idea. I love when they do these little amber signs too. So those are the die cut shapes. And then let's do the papers. Oops. This is I don't think this comes with the kit. This is something separate that you can get, just have coordinating smaller patterns. Look how pretty this pattern is. This is just so pretty. The navy blue with the, like this shade of pink, like this kind of like mauve, I guess, like muted pink, is so pretty. Polka dots and a grid, mustard grid, and then stripes and some hearts. So same, although I think this heart pattern in the 12 by 12 is black and white, but same images, just different scale. And then it repeats. So that's the 6 by 6 paper pad, and then the same thing with the 12 by 12 papers. Have your little cover paper here with all the packs, and then again that pretty floral. Good. Love this kind of simple pink paper, and then this is the black and white hearts. Love this paper. A bunch of houses that are perfect for fussy cutting. Really like this paper too, very versatile. Simple grid, and then starbursts on the back, little mini starbursts. Some lines of polka dots. Then another grid paper, green, deep green polka dots. And then the solid sheets of paper. Love these two colors together. And then these are the other two colors. So main colors of the collection, main papers, and all the embellishments that this collection comes with. Like I said, I think this collection is just so beautiful. I love all the little bits and pieces that you get with it too. The sticker sheet, the cardstock fringe, the hearts. And I hope you liked seeing some quick details here. And I will share products as I make. I will share the projects as I make them. Talk to y'all later. Bye.